You've gotta be kidding. A game for kids and grown-ups. What's the problem, Arthur?
I think I'm old enough to bathe on my own now, but my mom insists on getting in the tub with me every time. It makes me feel uncomfortable. What should I do?
Here's a tip. The answer may not be obvious at first.
Everyone has a right to privacy. Try being more firm with your mother about your refusal.
Parents know best. You should do as you're told at all times.
I'll take your place, Arthur.
You've gotta be kidding. A game for kids and grown-ups. What's the problem, Arthur?
Bathed with my mother, and now they're sleeping together too. It's making my dad mad and uncomfortable. So what should I do?
Here's a tip. I am so fucking mad.
Everyone has a right to sleeping with your mother. I'm sorry that it makes you uncomfortable.
This sounds like an issue that you should arrange a serious discussion with your mother about.
Nobody said you can't join us, Arthur.
You've gotta be kidding. A game for kids and grown-ups. What's the problem, Arthur?
I had a conversation with my mom. It looks like Binky is my dad now. I don't understand. I feel confused and upset. What should I do?
You should go to bed, son.
Oh, Arthur, I appreciate your troubles, but I'm out of advice.
It's okay, Arthur. Binky is my father, too.
Help me.